Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable autoplay on Instagram. In order to disable autoplay on Instagram, firstly you'll need to open your Instagram application. This is the home page of Instagram app. Now you'll have to tap on your profile icon by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen. Your profile page will open up where you can see all your posts. From here, you'll need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen. A lot of settings option will pop up on your screen. Here you'll have to scroll a bit. Then you'll find option of data uses and media quality. You'll have to tap on it. Mobile data settings will pop up on your screen here. Now you'll have to toggle on the data saver option. Here your videos won't play automatically. Just like that, you have disabled autoplay on Instagram. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to disable autoplay on Instagram. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.